Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which I go through the area of composite shapes. So you're just going to have a couple or more 2D shapes stuck together or one cut out from another, and we'll find the area of them. So let's look at the first shape here. So this is a combination of a square and also a semicircle. It's two shapes added together. So I'm just going to find the area of the square, the area of the semicircle, and add them together. So the area of the square is going to be 10 squared, or 10 times 10, which is 100 meters squared. So to find the area of the semicircle, remember we learned that in the last lesson. So the area will just be pi times radius squared. In this case, this length here is 10. The diameter is 10, so the radius is 5. So pi times 5 squared, pi times radius squared. I need to divide by 2 because it is only half of a circle. So you put that in your calculator, pi times 5 squared divided by 2. And I'm going to write it to 2 decimal places. It's 39.27. So therefore, the total area of this shape, you just add them together. 100 plus 39.27. And I get 139.27. It's meters squared. Okay, so that was an example of two shapes stuck together. The other one is an example of where a shape has another shape cut out of it. So this time I won't add the areas, I will subtract. So lucky we had a video on the area of a trapezium, and you all know how to do that. So the area of a trapezium is perpendicular height divided by 2, multiplied by the sum of the two parallel sides. So I get 75 centimeters squared when you put that in your calculator. So the area of the circle, so I have a circle with radius 2. It's a full circle this time, so I won't be dividing by 2. It'll just be pi times radius squared. And you will need your calculator for that. So it's just 4 times pi to 2 decimal places. That is about 12.57. So it was actually 12.566, but the third number after decimal place was more than 5. 5 or more, raise the score. So this time I'm not going to add them, I'm going to subtract. So the total area shaded in green will be the area of the trapezium minus the area of the circle. So you get about 62.43. Now everything's in centimeters, so the area is in centimeters squared. How easy was that? This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Hope you have a great day.